Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics that matter now: network and credentials. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or reliable cellular signal so activation can reach Apple servers. Make sure date and time is set to automatic. Incorrect time blocks authentication. Once done, open Settings and tap your Apple ID banner. If you see an Apple ID not active message, attempt to sign in. If prompted for a password, enter the one you last used. This primes the phone to communicate and begin recovery. Now you focus on regaining access by verifying credentials and resetting if needed. Attempt to sign in. If denied, choose Forgot Password and follow two-factor prompts or the emailed reset link. If you can't receive 2FA codes, start account recovery at iForget. Apple. Calm from another device and follow the on-screen steps. This can take a few days. Make sure you use devices or phone numbers already linked to the account. Doing so speeds validation and restores the Apple ID state on the iPhone 6. Finally, sign back into the iPhone after password reset and confirm iCloud, iTunes, and App Store access. If you still see not active, sign out of the Apple ID entirely, then sign back in. This forces a fresh token exchange. Make sure to reboot the phone and, if the device can update, install the latest supported iOS to fix certificate or handshake bugs. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your proof of purchase. This resolves activation locks and account disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.